Welcome everyone. I am lecturer Shubham M. Chaudhary, KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. In today's lecture of pharmaceutical chemistry, we are going to study major intra and extracellular electrolytes. In today's lecture, we study introduction about electrolytes, physiological ions, electrolyte replacement therapy, and electrolyte combination therapy. Introduction. Electrolytes means dissolved ions. Chemicals dissociates into cations that are positively charged and anions that are negatively charged when they dissolve in the body fluids. For example, acids, bases, and salts. What are intra and extracellular electrolytes? Intracellular electrolytes are present in the cell. For example, potassium and phosphate ions. Extracellular electrolytes. Extracellular electrolytes are interstitial and vascular compartment or out of the cell. For example, sodium and chloride ions. Their role in the body. They control pH in our body, osmotic balance, perform physiological function, and many more. Intracellular fluid 63%. This is diagram of total body water contains plasma, lymph, transcellular fluid, interstitial fluid, and intracellular fluid. Electrolytes. A substance when dissolved in solution separate into ions and is able to carry an electrical current. Cations that are positively charged electrolytes, for example Ca++, and anions that are negatively charged electrolyte, for example Cl-. Number of cations must equal to number of anions for homeostasis to exist in each fluid compartment. Electrolytes in the body fluid compartments: intracellular, potassium, magnesium, and phosphate. Extracellular electrolytes. Sodium, chloride, and bicarbonate ions. Na+ ions, most abundant electrolyte in the body. Chemical and osmotic gradient, osmosis, heart function, and cell membrane. Potassium ions, essential for normal membrane excitability for nerve impulse. Chloride ions, regulates osmotic pressure and assist in regulating acid-base balance. Calcium ions, usually combine with phosphate ions to form the mineral salts of bones and teeth. Promotes nerve impulse and muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium ions, plays a role in carbohydrate and protein metabolism, storage, and use of intracellular energy and neural transmission. Important in the functioning of the heart, nerves, and muscles. Physiological ions. First, sodium. Location: extracellular compartment as a salt of sodium or a salt of sodium Na+. Normal level 136 to 142 milliequivalent per liter. Functions: absorbed and excreted by cells that maintains the charge balance between the body fluids, along with Cl- ions, chloride ions, maintain osmotic balance of all body fluids. In kidney, maintain blood urine volume level. Hyponatremia, that means low level of sodium in the body. The reason: extreme urine loss in diabetics insipidus, kidney damage, diarrhea, vomiting, and excessive sweating and diarrhea. Symptoms: muscular weakness, headache, respiratory depression, and treatment for hyponatremia is replenishment therapy. Hypernatremia means increased level of sodium ion in the body. The reason for that: dehydration, high sodium intake. Symptoms are intense thirst and fatigue. Treatment: diuretics, cardiotonic drugs, and low salt diet. Next is calcium. Location: 1% in extracellular and 99% in bones and teeth. Function: blood clotting, muscle contraction, release of ACH from neurons, bones and teeth. Hypocalcemia: decrease calcium ion level in the body. Reason: lower absorption, vitamin D deficiency, or bone cancer. Symptoms are titanic spasm and convulsions. Hypercalcemia means increased level of calcium ions in the body. Reason: hypervitaminosis D, bone neoplastic disease. Symptoms: muscle weakness, constipation, cardiac irregularities. Chloride ions. Location: it is majorly found in all body fluids. Nearly 66% of iron contained in plasma is chloride ion. Normal level about 50 milliequivalent per kilogram. Functions: absorbed and excreted by cells, maintain charge between the body fluids. Along with sodium ions, maintain osmotic balance of all body fluids. Takes part in the formation of gastric acid. Hypochloremia means decreased Cl- level in the body or chloride ions level in the body. Metabolic acidosis seen in diabetes mellitus and renal failure. Lack of reabsorption from kidney. Therapy of diuretics and excessive vomiting means loss of gastric acid or HCl. Symptoms: alkalosis, respiratory depression, and muscle spasm. Hyperchloremia: increased Cl- level in the body. Reason: excess loss of bicarbonate ions, dehydration, or CH. Potassium ions. Location: it is majorly found in intracellular fluid. Normal level 3.8 to 5 milliequivalent per liter. Functions: contraction of muscles, especially cardiac muscles, maintains osmotic balance, transmission of nerve impulses, and regulates pH by exchange against of or hydrogen ion. Hypokalemia: decrease potassium ion level in the body. Reason: lower absorption, malnutrition, diarrhea, much urine loss, or in diuretic treatment, and heart disease. Hyperkalemia: increased potassium ion level in the body. Reason: kidney damage or renal failure, dehydration, cardiac diseases, CNS depression. Symptoms: bradycardia, mental confusion, and muscle weakness. Magnesium ions. Location: it is majorly found in intracellular fluid, about 54% in bones and 45% in ICL, means intracellular fluid. Functions: to activate enzymes which are involved carbohydrate and protein metabolism. Neuronal transmission, myocardial functions, for the functions of sodium potassium ATPase pump. Magnesium. Hypomagnesemia: decrease magnesium ion level in the body. Reasons: lower absorption, malnutrition, diarrhea, chronic alcoholism. Symptoms: muscle weakness, confusion, nausea, and cardiac arrhythmia. Hypermagnesemia: increased magnesium ion level in the body. Reasons: Addison's disease, acute diabetic acidosis, renal failure, and symptoms: hypotension and cardiac arrest. physiological ions, sulfate, bicarbonate and phosphate ions. Bicarbonate. It is the second most prevalent anion in extracellular fluid. Along with carbonic acid, it acts as the body's most important buffer system. Each day, kidney filters about 4,320 milliequivalents of the bicarbonate, and under normal conditions, all of this is reabsorbed from the tubules, thereby conserving the primary buffer system of the extracellular fluid. When there is reduction in the extracellular fluid hydrogen ions concentration, alkalosis, the kidneys fail to reabsorb all the filtered bicarbonate, thereby increasing the excretion of bicarbonate. Deficiency of bicarbonate ions causes metabolic acidosis and excess causes metabolic alkalosis. Electrolyte replacement therapy. Synonym: electrolyte replenisher. Due to serious symptoms of loss of electrolytes, it is essential to maintain the normal level by external supply of electrolytes. This therapy is called as electrolyte replacement therapy. There are two types. Rapid initial replacement. The solution contains electrolytes with concentration resemble with the electrolyte concentrations found in the extracellular fluids. Subsequent replacement. Lower concentration of electrolytes in the solution. The compounds used in the electrolyte replacement therapy: for sodium replacement, for potassium replacement, for calcium replacement and for magnesium replacement. Sodium chloride. Physical properties: white or colorless powder, saline taste, soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Preparation: from seawater or in lab. It is prepared from common salts impure in the water by passing HCl gas. Crystals of sodium chloride are precipitated out. Sodium chloride injection IP contains 0.9% of sodium chloride. pH is 4.5 to 7. Second, mannitol and sodium chloride injection. A sterile solution of mannitol and sodium chloride in water for injection used as a diuretic. These are the preparations. Storage condition: tightly closed container in dry place. Use as a source of sodium and chloride ions for sodium replacement. Making other pharmaceutical formulations like ringus injection and ORS. In Addison's disease, patients lose large quantities of sodium chloride in urine due to deficiency of cortical hormones. In such cases, to maintain the electrolyte balance, sodium chloride is given in the capsule, tablets and mixtures. Sodium chloride is used in the treatment of poisoning by bromides and iodides by adding their excretion. Sodium chloride with other electrolytes and dextrose is used as a dialysis solution for the treatment of renal failure or to assist in the elimination of toxic substances from the body. Isotonic solutions are used as wet dressings for irrigating body cavities or tissues. Sodium chloride has been used as an emetic. Sometimes it is dangerous. It also used in homeopathic medicines. Potassium chloride. Physical properties: white or colorless powder having saline taste. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Preparations: potassium chloride injection, potassium chloride tablets, potassium chloride and dextrose intravenous infusion. pH having 3.5 to 5.5 and potassium chloride and sodium chloride intravenous infusion. Preparation in industrial scale: from mineral carnelites, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride. Carnelites is dissolved by treating with hot water. Less soluble potassium chloride will crystallize this out on cooling the solution. Uses: it gives characteristic taste for potassium and chlorides. Potassium is mainly used in the prevention and treatment of potassium deficiency. It causes irritation to gastrointestinal tract and hence for its oral use it should be well diluted. As it contains chloride ions, it is employed in the treatment of hypokalemia associated with hypochloremia alkalosis. If the patient is unable to take potassium orally, or if hypokalemia or hypopotassemia is severe, solution of potassium chloride may be administered intravenously. Intravenous administration should be slow and under constant ECG monitoring. Potassium chloride is used in the treatment of cumulative digitalis poisoning. Also, it is used as an adjunct to the drugs used in the treatment of myasthenia gravis. Potassium therapy is contraindicated in patients with impaired renal functions with oliguria, means diminished urine output, acute dehydration, and patients receiving potassium sparing drugs. Storage conditions: store in airtight containers, and incompatibility: it is incompatible with lead, silver, mercury salts. Electrolyte combination therapy. The combination of electrolytes are prepared and given to the patients according to its requirements. Conditions like during surgery, when the patients unable to take normal diet, or in malnutrition. The formulations are Ringer lactate solution and ORS, oral rehydration salts. Compound sodium injection. Synonym: Ringer's injection or Ringer's solution. Composition: each 100 ml of solution is having not less than 0.82 gram of and not more than 0.90 gram of sodium chloride, not less than 0.0285 gram and not more than 0.0315 gram of potassium chloride, not less than 0.030 gram and not more than 0.036 gram of calcium chloride. It should be free from microorganisms. Preparation: ingredients with appropriate quantity are dissolved in water for injection. Solution is filtered and filtrate is sterilized by heating in an autoclave. Contents are sodium chloride 8.6 gram, potassium chloride 0.3 gram, calcium chloride 0.33 gram, and water for injection is 1000 ml. Assay: the three salts are present in the preparation may be assayed individually. Use: electrolyte replenishes. Compound sodium lactate injection. Synonym: Ringer lactate injection. Composition: each 100 ml of solution is having 0.27 gram to 0.32 gram of sodium, 0.019 gram to 0.022 gram of potassium, 0.37 gram to 0.42 gram of total chloride, 0.025 gram to 0.029 gram of calcium chloride, 0.23 gram to 0.28 gram of lactate, and it should be free from microorganisms. Its physical properties: it is clear, colorless solution and acidic in nature. Preparation: sodium hydroxide is first dissolved in 200 ml of water for injection. Add lactic acid. Heat in an autoclave at 115 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After cooling, the solution is neutralized with hydrochloric acid. Other ingredients are dissolved in 700 ml of water and prepared solution is mixed with previous solution. Make up total volume of 100 ml with water for injection. Solution is filtered and sterilized. It contains lactic acid 2.4 ml, sodium hydroxide 1.15 gram, dilute HCl as required, sodium chloride 6 gram, potassium chloride 0.4 gram, calcium chloride hydrated 0.4 gram, and water for injection 1000 ml. Use as electrolyte replenishes and storage in a single dose container of glass or plastic. ORS, oral rehydration salt. Oral rehydration salts are dry, homogeneously mixed powders containing dextrose, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and either sodium bicarbonate or sodium citrate for use in oral rehydration therapy. After being dissolved in the requisite amount of water, is a combination of oral electrolytes. The composition, it contains essential electrolytes, those are important to maintain the normal functions of the body, also contains sufficient amount of water. The concentration of electrolyte may be varying depending on the level of loss of particular electrolyte. Uses in heavy loss of water or dehydration and loss of electrolytes. Conditions like severe vomiting, diarrhea, and prolonged fever. The therapy is done with buttermilk, rice, light tea, coconut water, etc. Thank you.